loves, welcome to Raw Element. This is Ray. I had a lot of fun making my plan with me video last week, and I had requests to do some more, so I wanted to jump on and show you how I made this one using a screenshot that I'm going to pull over to Goodnotes, my Planner Essentials collection, and my Pinterest widgets. So I've included the 3 different boards that feed my widgets on a daily basis for inspo. If you've missed those other videos, you can go back and check those out on how I set those up. This spread, I'm going to take the screenshot and just crop it down to the part that I like, but I have done some other spreads where I've really liked the typography and I let that kind of dictate like how I made that spread. So I'm going over to my Planner Essentials kit and just looking for one that has different sections on it that I want to use for my weekly and cropping that down. I like this one because it has the 3 bullet point, the 3 boxes for top 3, and then the lines for the different tasks. I wanted to add another image on there, and I thought about going over to Pinterest, but then I remembered I just received my September edition of Vogue magazine, and if you haven't seen it or you don't subscribe, I think it's amazing. The September edition, definitely, like you could probably pick that up now pretty much everywhere, and it is super thick. I love using magazines for collage, both in my journal and digital collage, and so I've been asked how I do that, so I wanted to take you through real quick and kind of show you. So basically what you do whenever you pay for a subscription to a magazine, you just download the app, and when you open it up, it always shows you the most recent edition, and then you hit download and it saves the magazine, and then you can go through page by page just like you would in the magazine. The only difference is sometimes the ads are different for the digital version versus the physical copy. So there was a specific ad that I found in my physical magazine that I wanted to find the digital version so I could add it to my calendar, add a thumbnail to my calendar, and it took me a while to find it because it wasn't on the same page as it wasn't. The digital and the physical page wasn't the same, so I ended up finding it eventually. But as I was looking for that one, I came across this ad and absolutely loved, black and white photo, like that's my aesthetic, minimal functional planning is what I'm all about. So I love the look of that. So I just pulled that over and need to find a graphic that I've been working on for my next kit. So I thought it would be perfect to add that for covering up like the first part of the ad so that it just says Queen instead of McQueen. And sorry that it's cutting off a little bit. I forgot that I was in portrait mode. I was filming reels and shorts and forgot to flip my camera. So apologize for that. But this spread came out super cute. Really love how it looks. And if you want to know more about digital subscriptions for the magazines or see more of how I use that, then I'd be glad to do a separate video for you all. See you in the next one.